Back in 2009, Nukeproof launched its first version of the Mega, and this is what it looks like. But fast forward 10 years, and it's amazing to see how it's evolved. Lower, slacker, and longer, to handle the more demanding trails you see in enduro races today. I was fortunate enough to get my hands on one of these and actually give it a demo ride. So let's talk about the specs of this bike. And to help us out today, we have Vicky from Chain Reaction Cycles. She's their mechanic and super smart. Let's start with the drivetrain. The new SRAM GX 1x12. Super smooth and loads of range for climbing and descending. Moving on to the new crankset, SRAM Descendant. Lightweight and felt really strong. Now, to add the squishiness in the rear, a new RockShox Deluxe, 165 millimeters of travel. And up front, a RockShox Lyric, 170 millimeters of travel. In my opinion, this bike is well spec'd at a competitive price point, but let's see how it rides.
Alright, so they've got me on a Nukeproof Mega. This is a 275 medium frame alloy. This is, I believe the Mega has like 170 millimeters of travel in the front and 160 in the rear. So I'm gonna try to get some good shots for you guys. I don't have enough time to take it out on the trail today, so they have like this little demo course that I'm gonna check out, and hopefully we'll get going on it. Dropping in. Oh, nice. Okay, I gotta figure out this little shifter here. Man, this mulch slows you down so much. Climb again. Might as well go while I have the chance. Nice. I like that little drop in. A couple more laps. Like I said, I don't have much time. Climb. Oh, a lot of pedal bob. Ooh, got set out. I feel a lot of pedal bob, especially in the climbs. Love the look of it, love the color. But I do feel a lot of pedal bob, and I feel that you could use a lot of energy pretty fast. The Michelin Wild Enduros are a nice touch. Suspension feels plush, drivetrain feels really smooth. Brakes are nice and grabby. So at a first glance and at a first ride, it's not too bad, except for that pedal bob. Cool, whenever you're ready. Yeah. That one felt good. Going over rock sections like that, pretty typical in a trail setting. Dropping in again. Okay, I think we got a few good laps in.
So I wasn't able to take the Nukeproof Mega on a true test ride on the trails, but even just after a few short laps on the demo track, I got to know the bike pretty well. Stopping power was great. The SRAM Guide-R brakes felt super grabby, and I felt really confident that I could stop at a last minute if I needed to. The frame, the alloy frame, I guess on this model, it felt pretty light. It was still playful and not too heavy. I just got off of a carbon frame on the Vita Summit, and compared to that, it really felt pretty similar. The suspension felt plush, kept me planted to the ground at all times, but honestly, the rear, it felt a little too forgiving. So I had a lot of pedal bob on that short little bit of climb that I had. As far as descending, I can't really comment on too much because I didn't have a true descent test, but even just going down that little hill, coming up over that hip jump, and then going over that rock garden section, it kind of gave me a good feel of how confident the bike felt pointing it downhill. If you guys are in the market for a new enduro style mountain bike, I highly recommend getting your hands on a Nukeproof Mega 275. This bike is well spec'd and comes in at a competitive price point. If you guys enjoyed this review video, give me a big thumbs up and consider subscribing. I put out a new episode every week. With that being said, I'll see you guys on next week's episode. Peace out.